Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to change canvas texture. So as default, the canvas Ibis Paint will be set into the white color, and if you want to change into the texture, you can go to the layer option. In the background, you can click this box, and then you can see we have this lot of texture. So for the example, I will set the texture into the canvas. You can click this option, and then the canvas will be automatically set with the texture selected. So if you want to change again, you can move into the layer option, and then you can click on the background in your box. You can set for the texture in it. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to change canvas texture. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.